Do you know Spanish? In today's challenge, you'll test yourself with 100 basic Spanish phrases that every beginner should know. Keep track of your score and see how many you can get correct. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun Spanish quizzes and learning challenges. Let's begin! How do you say hello?
Hola.
How do you say hi?
Hola.
How do you say good morning?
Buenos días.
How do you say good afternoon?
Buenas tardes.
How do you say good evening?
Buenas noches.
How do you say goodbye?
Adiós.
How do you say see you later?
Hasta luego.
How do you say see you tomorrow?
Hasta mañana.
How do you say please?
Por favor.
How do you say thank you?
Gracias.
How do you say you're welcome?
De nada.
How do you say excuse me?
Disculpe.
How do you say I'm sorry?
Lo siento.
How do you say no problem?
No hay problema.
How do you say yes?
Sí.
How do you say no?
No.
How do you say maybe?
Tal vez.
How do you say of course?
Por supuesto.
How do you say I understand?
Entiendo.
How do you say I don't understand?
No entiendo.
How do you say, can you help me?
¿Puedes ayudarme?
How do you say, what is your name?
¿Cómo te llamas?
How do you say, my name is?
Me llamo.
How do you say, nice to meet you?
Mucho gusto.
How do you say, how are you?
¿Cómo estás?
How do you say, I'm fine?
Estoy bien.
How do you say, and you?
¿Y tú?
How do you say, where are you from?
¿De dónde eres?
How do you say, I am from?
Soy de...
How do you say, how old are you?
¿Cuántos años tienes?
How do you say, I am learning Spanish?
Estoy aprendiendo español.
How do you say, do you speak English?
¿Hablas inglés?
How do you say, I speak a little Spanish?
Hablo un poco de español.
How do you say, could you repeat that?
¿Puedes repetir eso?
How do you say, speak slowly, please?
Habla despacio, por favor.
How do you say, what does that mean?
¿Qué significa eso?
How do you say, I don't know?
No sé.
How do you say, where is the bathroom?
¿Dónde está el baño?
How do you say, where is the hotel?
¿Dónde está el hotel?
How do you say, where is the airport?
¿Dónde está el aeropuerto?
How do you say, how much is it?
¿Cuánto cuesta?
How do you say, that's expensive?
Es caro.
How do you say, that's cheap?
Es barato.
How do you say, I want this?
Quiero esto.
How do you say, I'll take it?
Me lo llevo.
How do you say, can I pay by card?
¿Puedo pagar con tarjeta?
How do you say, I need help?
Necesito ayuda.
How do you say, call the police?
Llame a la policía.
How do you say, I need a doctor?
Necesito un médico.
How do you say, are you okay?
¿Estás bien?
How do you say, I am hungry?
Tengo hambre.
How do you say, I am thirsty?
Tengo sed.
How do you say, I am tired?
Estoy cansado.
How do you say, I am happy?
Estoy feliz.
How do you say, I am sad?
Estoy triste.
How do you say, I am busy?
Estoy ocupado.
How do you say, I am ready?
Estoy listo.
How do you say, let's go?
Vamos.
How do you say, come here?
Ven aquí.
How do you say, wait a moment?
Espera un momento.
How do you say, what time is it?
¿Qué hora es?
How do you say, today?
Hoy.
How do you say, tomorrow?
Mañana.
How do you say, yesterday?
Ayer.
How do you say, good job?
Buen trabajo.
How do you say, congratulations?
Felicidades.
How do you say, good luck?
Buena suerte.
How do you say, have fun?
Diviértete.
How do you say, have a nice day?
Que tengas un buen día.
How do you say, see you soon?
Hasta pronto.
How do you say, what happened?
¿Qué pasó?
How do you say, what's wrong?
¿Qué pasa?
How do you say, really?
¿En serio?
How do you say, that's great?
¡Qué bien!
How do you say, that's interesting?
¡Qué interesante!
How do you say, I agree?
Estoy de acuerdo.
How do you say, I don't agree?
No estoy de acuerdo.
How do you say, I think so?
Creo que sí.
How do you say, I don't think so?
No lo creo.
How do you say, be careful?
Ten cuidado.
How do you say, follow me?
Sígueme.
How do you say, turn left?
Gira a la izquierda.
How do you say, turn right?
Gira a la derecha.
How do you say, go straight ahead?
Sigue recto.
How do you say, stop here?
Pare aquí.
How do you say, open the door?
Abre la puerta.
How do you say, close the door?
Cierra la puerta.
How do you say, sit down?
Siéntate.
How do you say, stand up?
Levántate.
How do you say, listen carefully?
Escucha atentamente.
How do you say, look at this?
Mira esto.
How do you say, read this?
Lee esto.
How do you say, write your name?
Escribe tu nombre.
How do you say, I love it?
Me encanta.
How do you say, I like it?
Me gusta.
How do you say, I don't like it?
No me gusta.
How do you say, I love you?
Te quiero.
How do you say, take care?
Cuídate.
How do you say, see you next time?
Hasta la próxima.
How do you say, welcome?
Bienvenido.
How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more Spanish quizzes and check out our other videos. See you next time!